production going on at this moment, it's heartwarming to hear the owner of Moulin Castelas talk about how he started this business in 1997 when he fell in love with some old olive trees. They do everything as naturally as possible here and even have to let the olive tree do its own thing.
It's a very funny tree.
Yeah.
That tree, see it's here, it's been here forever. It lives so long that I think it doesn't care about reproducing this year or next year.
Oh,
it doesn't matter.
So finicky.
Yes.
I love how Jean asks if he can taste with us. The oils here are a lot like wine, dependent on the terroir, climate, varieties of olives used, and how ripe the olives are. But unlike wine, the color doesn't tell you anything. That's why we use blue cups, so we don't get influenced by how it looks. Oh, they smell completely different. That's amazing that it could be the same grape, same grape, same olive. I'm so used to the grape thing. I'm so used to smelling wine and everything.
You're craving for a glass of wine, huh?
Yeah, no cream.
So, I swallow some
Just
air.
like wine, you need to take a little air in when you taste. That goes down nice and smooth. Fills my mouth.
And the taste. So, no more peppering, no more bitterness.
Very smooth.
Smooth,
Completely smooth.
soft. It still is long.
Yeah, it's like that earthy kind of thing going on.